Stacy from Let's Cook, y'all. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new, welcome. We're really glad you're here. We hope you like what you'll see and you'll consider hitting that red subscribe button. We've got a short cooking video for you today. This is how we make an easy Alfredo sauce. If I don't have a jar in the pantry and I want to make fettuccine Alfredo with either grilled shrimp or grilled chicken on top, and I've got the right ingredients, I make this quick Alfredo sauce. Hope you enjoy the video. I'm going to show you how I make a quick and easy homemade Alfredo sauce. You can make it as low fat as you like, or you can make it a little unhealthier. I'm going to do a little bit of both. The ingredients you'll need are some Laughing Cow cheese. The original recipe that I tried many years ago called for the garlic and herb variety. I'm not sure you can even still buy that. I just add some garlic and herb seasoning, but you'll need 6 wedges of cheese, some kind of a milk product, any fat-free 2% whole milk, half and half, fat-free half and half, whatever you like, a tablespoon of butter, some shredded Parmesan cheese, and some seasonings. So let me show you how to make an easy Alfredo sauce. Once everything's combined and the cheese is all melted, I'm going to move it to a smaller burner and we're going to let it simmer till it thickens. It'll take about 15 or 20 minutes. Since I used half and half, mine didn't take quite as long. If you use a low fat or no fat milk, it'll take a little longer to get thick. Mine probably only took about 10 or 15 minutes. So I'm going to toss it with some noodles. In my case, I'm using shrimp today. You could use chicken or just toss it with fettuccine for fettuccine Alfredo. Thanks for stopping by. Hope you have a wonderful and truly blessed day. Like, comment, and subscribe, y'all. We'll see you in the next video.